So this is my last site on my journey across Wisconsin. I'm on a dairy farm. Go cheese. My ride for the week. My little Corolla getting me back in Fosa. Not only do we have cows down there, we have corn up there. And I will say it's supposed to be about 95, but I'm digging in the shade today, and there's a hella good breeze, and I'm a happy camper. So yeah. So here's my shovel test. Check out this baby. That's my hoe. I dug me a hole. Pretty nice shovel test, would you say so myself? It'll work. Good enough for government? Kidding. Tower's going right up there. Gotta dig 4 more shovel tests, take some pictures, and I'm out of here. So y'all ready for this? Hey, autumn in the field. A hot, sweaty, nasty mess. Lovely. Hopefully I'll be on a plane before too long and enjoying a nice, cool, relaxing evening with my baby. See ya.